Alright guys, new face on the channel. I'm Tyler. I run number 32. We're doing part 4 on the LS engine build. We're going to be doing the electrical, the intake, and the stacks today.
Alright guys, we're going to start right off with the intake.
What's your torque specs there, Ricky?
Two-step on this one. It's like 44 inch-pounds and then 89 inch-pounds.
Alright, now we're going to put the electrical on. Got a balled up mess still, but... Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and throw on the stacks now. Alright, now we're going to put the water pump on. Get the gaskets halfway lined up here. Alright, the water pump housing is torqued down to 22 foot-pounds. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and put this stack on. Alright guys, now my dad's going to put the dipstick tube in, and I'm going to put the throttle bracket and the carb on.
Here's a small hammer while you're over there.
Small one?
Yep. not tiny, but I don't need Bertha. I'll just use a ratchet.
177 Brown, probably in the best shape of the group at the moment. That can always change in an instant.
You got it.
Sure, just use my.
Yeah. Go ahead there. Told you, gonna.
There's nothing to save your car for.
Alright guys, we just threw some bolts in this carb so we can get a first fire for you guys. So we'll be with you guys in just a second. Alright guys, here we go. Supposed to sound like that?
I don't know. Hitting the stand?
One momento. A little too much?
Oh, I ran out of fuel, I think. No.
Ready?
Sure.
Try again?
Nope.
Alright, if you guys can even still hear me after that, thank you guys for tuning in to part 4. If you made it this far in the video, make sure you like and subscribe and see what we get into next.